Healing Harmony. 7 superfoods to expedite recovery from lung infections, including pneumonia. Hello, resilient souls on the path to recovery and those seeking proactive measures against lung infections. At Vitality Vibes, we understand the importance of nourishing your body during challenging times. Join us as we explore 7 superfoods that can contribute to healing and expedite recovery, especially from lung infections such as pneumonia. Let's delve into the world of healing harmony and empower your body with the nutrients it needs to bounce back stronger. Garlic Guardian, nature's antibiotic. Garlic stands tall as a natural antibiotic with its potent antimicrobial properties. Allicin, a compound found in garlic, can help combat infections and support respiratory health. Incorporate raw or lightly cooked garlic into your meals to harness its immune-boosting benefits. Ginger Glory, anti-inflammatory elixir. Ginger is a versatile root known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It can help soothe respiratory discomfort, reduce inflammation, and ease symptoms associated with lung infections. Enjoy ginger tea or add fresh ginger to soups and smoothies for a comforting elixir. Turmeric Treasure, anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, is an anti-inflammatory powerhouse. It can aid in reducing inflammation in the lungs and supporting the body's natural healing processes. Add turmeric to warm milk or incorporate it into your cooking for a golden touch of healing. Leafy Greens Love, nutrient-rich respiratory support. Leafy greens, such as kale and spinach, provide a wealth of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients bolster your immune system and contribute to overall respiratory health. Incorporate leafy greens into salads, smoothies, or sautés for a nutrient-rich boost. Honey Healing, soothing and antibacterial sweetness. Honey has been recognized for its soothing properties and antibacterial benefits. It can help alleviate coughing and throat irritation associated with lung infections. Choose raw, unprocessed honey and add it to warm water, tea, or enjoy it by the spoonful for its healing sweetness. Citrus Comfort, vitamin C boost for immune resilience. Citrus fruits, such as oranges, lemons, and grapefruits, are rich in vitamin C. This essential nutrient supports immune function and can aid in recovery from respiratory infections. Savor the refreshing taste of citrus fruits or incorporate them into juices for a vitamin C boost. Oily Fish Omega-3s, respiratory wellness from the sea. Oily fish like salmon and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Omega-3s can help reduce inflammation in the respiratory system and support lung health. Include oily fish in your diet for a dose of these beneficial fatty acids. As we wrap up our exploration of these 7 superfoods, remember that they are valuable allies in your journey towards healing from lung infections, including pneumonia. Nourish your body with these nutrient-rich foods, stay hydrated, and prioritize rest for a comprehensive approach to recovery. Share your favorite healing recipes or experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more wellness insights from Vitality Vibes. Until next time, here's to your health and the healing power of superfoods.